Okay, 31 times 0.4. First, I'm going to try to get an approximate answer. So I'm going to round 31 to about 30. And I know that 0.4 is really close to half. So really, I'm taking 30 times 0.5, or half of 30. And I know that half of 30 is 15. So my answer should be close to 15. So I'm forgetting the decimals there. I'm just trying to do 31 times 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now for the decimal, 1 spot over, 1 spot over. So my answer is 12.4, which, if I recall, it should have been close to 15, and it is. Let's try a different problem. This time, it's not lined up for me on my paper, and I want to figure out which one to put on top. You always want to look at the longer number. Now, here I've got 2 digits, and here I've got 3 digits. 3 digits is more than 2. So I want to put my 3.31 on top. So 3 and 31 hundredths goes on top, and 6.2 will go underneath. Now, I'm not going to think about it as 6.2 because I do not want to line up my decimals. I want to think of it as 62. And then I'll just put my decimal in between my 6 and my 2. There we go. Now it's just 331 times 62. We'll put the decimals in later at the end. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 3 again is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Add it up. 6 and 6 makes 12. 6, 7, and 8 makes 15. 9 and 1 makes 10. And 1 and 1 makes 2. Okay, now I've got to move my decimals in. I've got 3 spots all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 20 and 522 thousandths. So to check and see if that makes sense, if I was going to round 3 and 31 hundredths, I'd round it to about 3. And if I was going to round 6 and 2 tenths, I'd round it to about 6. 6 and 3 makes 18. 18 is very close to 20.